Welcome to Burnyzz Speed Shop in Ocala, Florida. Here at Burnyzz, we believe that every classic has a story worth telling. Whether it's being restored back to its original glory or something a little bit different. This is where that whole process begins in the restoration and Restomod division. Here at Burnyzz Speed Shop, we handle everything underneath one roof. Whether it's a nut and bolt restoration or a full customized Restomod build with modern performance and modern safety features and comfort features, everything gets handled here underneath one roof. What sets us apart is every detail, every weld, every panel, every stitch, everything done by these craftsmen under this roof at Burnyzz Speed Shop. We don't cut corners, we set the standard. Some customers want that showroom day feel, and others want modern horsepower, suspension, and braking hidden under a classic shell. Our job here at Burnyzz is to make sure we bring your vision to life. At Burnyzz, Restomods and restorations aren't just builds, they are projects of passion. If you have a dream car, we have the team to make it your reality.